without you.
Please like, share and subscribe this video to get notification for the next video. So today we are going to learn about character user interface and graphical user interface on the basis of their interactions, navigation, peripheral used, speed and operations. So let's start. If we talk about interactions in CUI, so it is very difficult as compared to graphical user interface, and interaction is done by commands and text, while in GUI images icons are used. So this is the basic interaction. Now we talk about the navigation. In CUI it is difficult to navigate and need expertise. In GUI it's very easy to navigate to any drive or folder. Now we'll talk about the peripheral used. So in CUI keyboard is used. In GUI pointing devices such as mouse is used and also keyboard. Now memory required. So in CUI low memory required, and in graphical user interface high memory is required. Now ease of operation. In character user interface it is very difficult to operate computer, and in graphical user interface it is very easy. So that was the basic difference between character user interface and graphical user interface. Linux was based on only character user interface, and character user interface was very primitive for the previous computing technology. Now here are looking some code here. So this is totally based on character user interface. Now I'm going to tell some example like dir. This is actually performing in CMD, that is command prompt. So by using dir command you can see all the directory. By writing date you will get the date, current date. By time you will get the current time. So this is the basic command and text which helps you to do some operations, to check the computer systems. So this is the about command prompt. Now here graphical user interface is very popular because people are not getting headache while using it. So social media and everything, digital technology is possible and growing very fastly and rapidly just because of graphical user interface. So nowadays graphical user interface perform very active role for computing. Even in cyber security, lot of things are possible by using graphical user interface. But when any hacker tries to corrupt the data or hack the data, he use character user interface. So hope you understood the topic. Thanks for watching.